Alright, so this is the local market here. Let's walk in and see what we can find. Looks like this is the restaurant section. Gambling machines. It's really big in these little towns. Different restaurants. Little bakery. More of these machines. Looks good. I haven't had some real food in quite some time, so I am starving. Take it easy. Tortas, empanadas, sopa. I could really use a soup actually. It'd help the stomach a bit. See what else we can find. The whole section is restaurants. Oh. Looks like everybody pretty much sells the same thing over and over. We got Sopa de Lima here. We might come back for that. Ice cream, the ice cream machine. And then we get to back outside here. There's this market section, I guess, again, where they sell stuff, shoes. So we're back out again. Not a restaurant here. And then we get to the actual market. As you see in every market, shoes, clothing, little tourist stuff, souvenirs. Everywhere's basically the same. Some hats, and caps, mugs. All cheap clothing you need. See what's on this side. Oh, there's the Terminal Izamal. That's actually where we came. I took one of these cheap Centro buses. Cost me like 30 pesos, which is like $2. But boy, is it a rough journey. Here's the inside. Let's walk around a bit. Different things. Look at that. It looks like the meat section is actually AC'd in there. But check that out maybe. I don't know. I mean, you see one meat section, you see them all. But the air-conditioned one is new. Got all your baby pumpkins, habaneros, garlic, etc. Types of fruits and veggies. Oh, we're back here again. I think I'm going to try a soup. I could use one. Where was the place where I found it? Yeah. Buenas. ¿Todavía tienes sopa de lima?
Sí.
¿Me das uno, por favor?
Claro que sí.
Para comer aquí.
¿Puedes sentarse?
Ok, gracias. ¿Aquí está bien? Sí.
Claro que sí.
Gracias. Alright, we're gonna try it.
¿De tomate refresco?
¿Tienes coca sin azúcar? ¿O coca light? No.
Déjame checo.
Ok.
Tengo coca sin azúcar y si tengo...
Sí, quiero uno, por favor. So, this restaurant, I've been when I get sick, I crave soups like crazy, so I'm gonna have a Sopa de Lima. It's one of the specialties here in Yucatan. I've actually never had it before because I've been trying to avoid soups because it's just so hot out here. But I can go cool off in my AC room. You'll see that hotel room review coming up later on. And I can go cool off before I leave, so it helps. Maybe even take a nice rinse because I'm already sweaty. It's between the, I don't know what the temperature is right now, it's probably like 30 something like usual. So, gracias. So here we have it, Sopa de Lima. If you're not sure, it literally translates to lime soup in English. It's like a chicken soup, fully seasoned and with lime. It's one of the specialties here in the Yucatan. So as you can see, it has shredded chicken, looks like avocado, some purple onions, cilantro, etc. and the lime. Let's give this a try. Oh, that is good. That is so good. Wow, I like it. Need some hot sauce, but I'm gonna lay off that for a bit. Some avocado. So good. Try the chicken. Everything is great. I'm gonna enjoy a bit of the soup, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and see you on the next adventure.